Hello, this is Mohamed Amin Maher, and it's my Fanuc project. In this picture, we can see a lot of equipment and device and parts. Here we have palletizing, and here we can see the rotary station, here press station or clamp, and here we can see the input cylinder, and here we can see the outfit and output cylinder. Okay, I wanna describe my code. Uh, first, uh, Firstly, I use a lot of subroutine like TP rotary, TP press, TP and tray, and something like that. And after that, for the starting program, the operator has to be push the start button, and after that, the process uh, will be a start. Okay, I wanna run my program. So first of all, robot go to the home position. After that, pick and place a part in a rotary station. After that, place the clamp or press station. Then picked and place on the input cylinder. After this part, robot picked the part and place on the outfit part. In this program, I use uh, move linear, move approach. Thanks.